I want to do a quick video on the Kotamu because I couldn't find any really good videos about this. The instruction manual that comes with it doesn't really give you very good directions on exactly what you're supposed to do. It will come with 2 of these. I've already put 1 in the pot. This is from coarser hair. It comes with 2 for the finer hair, facial hair, and then a really generous amount of sticks of various sizes. In the directions, it doesn't tell you to just go ahead and put the wax beads inside this silicone container that is then, whoops, let me show you, that is set inside a silver pot that is then set inside yet another silver pot. I wasn't sure, does it need water put in? No, it doesn't. You just simply put the silicone pot inside the other pot and just push that down in, put your beads in. I've already stirred them up a little bit. They're not quite melted yet. You put your lid on. I've set the temperature to 150 because that is pretty much a recommendation for a good temperature. This will go higher than that for when it's melting, and then it will come back down to the 150, and then it should be like a honey consistency is what I'm told. And if it's runnier than that, you do not want to put it on yourself because it will burn you. So I will come back and show you when all of these have melted. Okay, so here we are. It's been on for a little while, and this is what, yeah, it's like a honey consistency. So let's try this on a leg, see what happens. Okay, there's my hairy leg. Okay, so that's a really nice, let's find out if this is too hot. All right, start here. Oh no, it feels great. Feels absolutely wonderful. Okay, so we're going with the grain like it said in the instructions. Woo, little stringy. Okay. Still a little tacky. Not so tacky, it's drying nicely. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ah, well done. Yeah, this is great. Love this. Okay, and the last part is how easy is this to clean up? It's obviously been allowed to cool. And just pop that out, and then the wax that's left over can actually, oh, this is so easy. Look at this, the silicone. Oh, so much better. So much better than a silver pot. Okay. So then we can take this, because every little bit counts these days. Oh! And just put the leftovers into peels out pretty easy. And I'm not going to get every single tiny piece because I'm going to turn it back on and do the pink beads next. Okay, so push that right back down in. And plug it back in. Turn it on to 150. There we are, 150. And then actually, I'm probably crazy doing all of them. We'll do half of them. Let's see how that melts. I expect it to do just as great as it did with the coarse hair beads.